Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar, and Apple TV. They keep releasing new movies and new serials every second day that we watch on our television sets.
But the experience of watching your favorite movie on a large screen with proper sound effects can never be matched with that of a TV set.
Welcome to Mango Do It. I'm Simran.
And I'm Sanjay. Let us show you how easy it is to create your own large screen home theater on a budget.
First, let's tell you what all we need to make a home theater. Obviously, we need a room,
Screen,
a video projector,
a sound system, which could be an existing sound system which you already have, or you could procure one.
and then you need either an Amazon Fire Stick,
Apple TV or Tata Sky, depending on the source of input you want to use to watch the screen.
So now let's start talking about each one of them one by one. To make a home theater, you first need to identify a room. It could be your bedroom, your living room, or any room that has a clear wall and some sitting area opposite to it.
The thumb rule is to have a viewing distance which is 1.5 times the size of your screen. So if your screen is 6 feet diagonally, then your viewing distance should be minimum 9 feet. It could vary from room to room or wall to wall. You can choose the size of your screen according to the size of your wall. Never use a white wall or a white sheet to watch a projection, as they both eat up light, but a projection screen is specially coated to reflect light to give you excellent picture quality. There are three kinds of screens which are available in the market: tripod, pull-down spring system, and motorized. A tripod screen is a portable screen. You can take it anywhere, put it wherever you want to, in your room or outside, depending on your usage. The second one is a spring mechanism screen, which is usually fixed on the ceiling or the wall, and you have to pull it down and it stops automatically with a spring mechanism. And the third is a motorized screen, which runs on a motor, again a fixed screen.
Now in the room, we need heavy curtains so that we can cut off the light and we can also reduce the echo in the room.
The acoustics of the room is controlled by the curtain, therefore making your movie experience more enjoyable. The best place to mount your projector is on the ceiling. There is a plethora of video projectors in the market, but we need a minimum of 1080p or high definition projector to enjoy your movie experience. Video projectors are available at all different prices, but remember, the cheaper it is, the lower the quality. What we need to note while procuring one, that it should be at least 2000 lumens output, a minimum of 1080p or HD projector, and it should have a variable focus lens with at least 2 HDMI inputs for video signal. As regards the sound system, any existing system will do, or you could buy a new one. You could go in for a soundbar or even a surround system. But trust me, you don't need a very expensive sound system to enjoy your home theater. There are very good systems available online or in the market. Now coming down to the cables and connectors. First, let's talk about HDMI. HDMI signal carries audio and video signal on a digital format to your video projector. We all know that the HDMI ports are for connecting your Fire Stick, Apple TV, Tata Sky, or any other source of input. You could have two different inputs connected to your video projector too. Regarding audio systems, you have to note that there are two ways they sell the audio system on the basis of PMPO and RMS. PMPO stands for Peak Music Power Output, and RMS stands for root mean square. PMPO is full of distortion and is not a sound but noise, whereas RMS is real quality sound. As regards the audio connector, there is usually a 3.5 mm jack that gets connected to the audio output of the video projector. This would connect to your audio system either with the same 3.5 mm jack or through a RCA audio cable with a left and right connector. Your source of input on HDMI could be Blu-ray DVD, Tata Sky, Amazon Fire Stick, Apple TV, or any other HDMI source that you might have. As per us, we prefer to use Apple TV and Amazon Fire Stick, as you can download various other platforms like Disney Hotstar, YouTube, and other channels and watch as per your subscription. Please note, all these channels have a yearly subscription and you have to subscribe to it. Now that everything is set up, make sure there is no direct light falling on your screen and sit back and enjoy your big screen experience. In case you need any further information on any of the above, drop a comment and we will surely get back to you.
So you see how easy it was to make your own home theater.
So go ahead and make one for yourself today and enjoy your movie experience. Take care. Bye-bye.